Hi everyone, it's Priscilla from Assist Queen Crochet, and today I'll be showing you all how to change your color of yarn when you get to the end of your row if you want your next row to be a different color. If you like to see more crochet tips, tricks, and techniques, make sure to subscribe to this channel and like and comment. It really helps support my channel. Alright, so here we are at the end of the row, and I've already cut my working yarn that was the last color, and I'm about to slip stitch into that first stitch I made from the same round, to end your round and to start the next one. So instead of using the green yarn to slip stitch into the next stitch to start the next round, I'm going to grab whatever yarn that I want to do next, and I'm going to insert my hook into the top of that first stitch as usual. And I'm going to take the new yarn, the new color I want to start the next row with, or next round with. I'm going to grab it with my hook, just like so. I'm going to pull it through that stitch, and I'm going to pull it through the next loop on my hook. I'm going to tie in these two and sew these ends in later. So this is what connects to the last row and starts a new color. And as you can see, if I continue on, whether I turn my work or whether I keep going, it helps that first chain that I create on that round to be the color of that round. Because if I did it with the green, this would be green instead of yellow. And this is what helps the next color go in more seamlessly. Alright, and that's how you change the color at the end of your round if you want the next round to be a different color. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks so much for watching, guys.